Egg soufflé. First, I prepare 2 fresh eggs. Next, I take out 2 bowls, crack the eggs into one bowl, and use a spoon to separate the yolks from the whites. I put the egg whites in the refrigerator. As for the yolks, I add 5 grams of white sugar and use a whisk to stir until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is well combined. Next, I place a sieve over the bowl, sift in 12.5 grams of all-purpose flour and 10 grams of cornstarch. Then mix until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Setting the mixture aside for now, I place a small saucepan on the stove, add 150 milliliters of milk and 15 grams of butter, and heat over low heat until the butter has completely melted. Then, I pour about 1/3 of the milk butter mixture into the bowl with the egg yolks. Using a whisk, I continue stirring until the mixture is well combined. Then gradually add the remaining milk while stirring constantly. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Once done, I pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. Then pour into a bowl. Add 1 milliliter of vanilla extract and mix well. Cover tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 20 minutes. While waiting, I prepare 2 molds. I brush a thin layer of butter over the entire bottom and sides of the molds. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I sprinkle a thin layer of sugar into the molds and swirl them gently to coat the entire inner surface. Then, I place the molds in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 minutes to let the sugar layer set. Meanwhile, I separated the egg whites and beat them with an electric mixer until stiff peaks formed. When small bubbles began to appear, I added 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice and continued beating. When the mixture began to turn opaque white, I added 30 grams of sugar in 3 batches, spacing each addition about 15 seconds apart to ensure the sugar dissolved evenly. I continued beating until the egg whites reached soft peaks. When I lifted the whisk, the peaks should curve slightly. Next, I take the egg yolk mixture out of the refrigerator and beat it lightly again to achieve a smoother texture. I divide the egg whites into 3 portions to fold into the egg yolk mixture. For the first portion of egg whites, I use an electric mixer to combine them thoroughly. Then for the remaining portions, I use a spatula to maintain the light, fluffy texture. However, starting from the second addition, we'll only mix with a spoon. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Once the mixture is uniform and light and smooth, I take the prepared mold out of the refrigerator, pour the mixture into the mold, and use a spatula to smooth the surface. Once everything is set, I carefully place the bowl into the oven and get ready for the next step. Finally, I bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of the mold. The soufflé is done when the edges have risen high, the top is lightly golden, and it's no longer wet. And now let's take this soft, fluffy, cloud-like soufflé out of the oven and enjoy it while it's still hot. And just like that, our light and fluffy soufflé cake is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps me continue creating more simple and delicious recipes for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.